Hello everybody, this is your host Nino, greeting you once again from ArcaOS, the modern OS 2 derivative. And I just wanted to make a couple of very quick notes in this video as to how to install and run the GCC compiler on this operating system using the yum package manager. So first, when you say yum install GCC, you're going to get GCC, but you're not going to get the development headers. And so you will need to install those too. Otherwise, include standard io.h will not work. Then, while you will be having the headers, you will not have the GNU gas assembler, AS, which is necessary to assemble things. So that is why you will need to install the bin utils. And finally, you will be able to use GCC in order to compile an exe file. And that's something which we shall be doing here, just for the sake of demo. So let's paste this. Yeah, little thing. But when I then say hello, no, hi, it's going to show hello. This is just a very simple C file, like just a hello world program, and looks like that. If you use the integrated notepad editor, it is going to send you to this directory, cos2 mdos winos2. Like if you say notepad, right? Like this Windowsy looking thing here. That is where it sends you. Apparently some sort of Windows 2 program or something like that. Like if I say about notepad, yeah. So this looks like ancient Windows times, and when you say exit, then you're back on your normal ArcaOS desktop. So hope that was helpful in case you try to edit and compile a C file with GCC on ArcaOS or OS 2. And with that, thank you for having joined today. See you soon. Have a great time until then, and from me, goodbye.